Dear viewers, the beauty of Tunisia and its people, the city of Carthage, and other places, the early Christian martyrs, male and female, accompany me on this trip. When Alyssa left Tyre, south of Lebanon, in the year 814 BCE, settled in this place, Carthage. It's a wonderful place. Someone who lives in Tyre by the seaside appreciate living by the seaside, and that's how she settled in this area in a tricky way. But let us listen to this report about Carthage first.
Carthage, Tunisia is a historic site, a modern suburb located approximately 15 kilometers northeast of Tunis. It sits on a point overlooking the Gulf of Tunis. It was one of the most important trading hubs of the ancient Mediterranean. Carthage was founded by Phoenician colonists from Tyre around 814 BCE. The city served as the capital of the Carthaginian Empire, a major power that dominated the western and central Mediterranean for centuries. The ancient city was famously destroyed by the Roman Empire during the Third Punic War in 146 BCE, after which it was rebuilt as Roman Carthage, becoming a major provincial capital and the second largest city in the Roman Empire after Rome and Alexandria. It later fell to the Vandals in 439 CE, then the Byzantines, and was finally destroyed by Muslim forces in 698 CE. Today, the archaeological site of Carthage is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, designated in 1979, and includes key ruins such as 1. The Bursa Hill, the ancient citadel. A wonderful basilica was built on it, the Church of St. Louis, in which the saints Perpetua and Felicity are depicted. 2. The Punic ports, Kothons, including a large artificial harbour. 3. The Roman Forum, amphitheatre, and baths. 4. The Carthage National Museum and Paleo-Christian Museum. Modern Carthage is a residential commune, with a population of around 26,000. It is accessible by train or road from Tunis and remains a major cultural and historical destination, offering insights into Phoenician, Punic, Roman, and early Christian civilizations.